Welcome to the job schedule tutorial. In this video, we will go over the most common uses of the job schedule and the best way to customize it for your company. The job schedule can help you schedule your team quickly and efficiently and ensure that they always have the most updated shift information easily accessible on their mobile. To begin, let's access the relevant schedule. As you can see, the schedule is built like a simple calendar with the days of the week on top and your users on the left side. You can easily toggle between the daily, weekly, or monthly view. And of course, view your schedule by users or by jobs. Each block represents a shift, and each color represents a job, so it is very easy for the manager to differentiate between the different positions. To create a shift, simply hover over a specific box and click on the plus button. The shift modal will open on the right. In the top section, you will be able to specify the time and date for the shift. Underneath, you have two layers of information. The shift job, those will be the list of positions that you've created for your company, which your employees can clock in and out from and that you schedule for. The shift title can be used as another layer of information. Usually, food and beverage companies use the shift title to specify whether the shift is a morning or an evening shift, or a closing and an opening shift. Next, you would be able to select the employees for your shift. You can select one or multiple, assuming that the multiple employees are performing the same job. This way, you won't have to create the shift more than once. Use the shift notes to add any additional information that will be relevant for your employees. This way, you can make sure they get all of the information in one place, so no more back and forth phone calls will be necessary. Each shift can be saved as a draft, published, or saved as a template, where you will be able to easily access it through the quick shift template bar on the right side of the screen. Just select the shift you want and drag and drop to assign it to the relevant employee. Use the quick action button to simplify your scheduling processes during the week. You can copy the previous week, clear it, or even save the entire week as a template. So basically, you'll be creating the schedule once and the system will do the rest. Let's publish a shift and take a look from the employee point of view. Once a shift has been published, the employee receives a push notification straight to his mobile. They can then click on the notification to review the shift or access the schedule through the Asset tab. As you can see, all of the information is clear and available for the employee. They can see the work hours, the job, all of the relevant information attached to the shift, and who is working with them. They can even accept the shift so you as a manager will know it has been acknowledged. If you wish, you can enable shift replacements for your staff to save you time and stress when unexpected changes arise. Use the chat option in the notes to improve the communication within your company. Your employees can chat with their supervisors by selecting the chat option, and of course leave notes regarding their shifts for a supervisor to review. The most important ability is to understand which of your employees are able or unable to work at any given time. Through the mobile application, your employees can mark their unavailability by accessing the My Availability tab and include a note explaining why. The action will have a visual indication on your schedule, giving you an easy way to understand who can be scheduled and who cannot. Back to the admin dashboard. As you can see, the schedule is filled with visual indications that can help you schedule more efficiently. Once a shift has been accepted by an employee, a green circle will appear confirming that the employee knows where he needs to be. The bubble icon will indicate if a note was added to a specific shift. You can easily review the note by clicking on the shift activity, and of course, chat with the relevant employee if need be. It is very easy to spot when a user is unavailable to work, as this is clearly marked in red. You're also able to set your limitation, and the system will help you stay on track. For instance, not scheduling an employee to work more than a certain amount of hours each day, or avoid double shifts. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to reach out with any questions.